Hi guys, hope you're doing really well. Today I am really excited because I'm wearing stuff from the MAC Pony Park collection. I've got the MAC Hocus Pocus palette here, which is just beautiful. Can we just discuss how beautiful this is? I absolutely love it. So you have 8 shades in this palette. You have got a dark like matte brown with a red undertone, then you've just got like a straight up chocolate brown matte, and then you've got like a mid neutral brown, which is great for blending, and that's exactly what I've used like in my crease. Then you have like a shimmer champagne with like a pink undertone. You've got another cool toned matte brown here, the gold, classic gorgeous shimmery gold there. Then you've got like an iridescent champagne, call it, and then my favourite shade, you've got like a really gorgeous like glittery rose gold shade, which is basically what I'm wearing all over. So yeah, these are the shades in the palette. They're so gorgeous. You can have a look at my Instagram and blog for like more close-up pictures. I have this Sky's the Limit highlight, which I'm wearing. Oh my god, this is so amazing. And then I have the Plenty of Pat lip gloss, which is what I'm wearing now. Matte lip mousse, and the texture of these is so nice. So I have got Privacy Please, which is this shade, and then I have Mood Pout, which is like a maroon, which is like a shade that I wouldn't wear, but I'm going to show you this one at the end of the video to complement this look, because this looks nice. This look looks nice with nude lips, as you can see, but I think it will also look really good with this. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on this look. So the first thing I'm going to do is just apply some eyeshadow primer, just because I can never allow myself to apply eyeshadow without primer. That's just me. So I'm just going to put that all over my lid. So I've got most of my base, well I've got my base basically done, minus highlight. Everything from this range that I have, I'm going to apply with you. So now I'm going to take this gorgeous eyeshadow, oh my god. I'm going first with the most neutral one. So this one, just a matte neutral eyeshadow, and I'm going to go in to my crease. So both eyes, just in my crease here. I'm going to go in with a slightly smaller crease brush, and I'm going to take this like matte brown here that's got a bit of a like a red undertone to it, and I'm just going to go in the outer corners. Just defining the outer corners there. Then I'm going to take that bigger crease brush again and just blend here. Okay, so that's like a nice everyday look. I'm then going to take this shade here, which, let's face it, is like the shade of the palette, with a flat brush, and I'm going to place this all over my lid, and oh my god, it is so glittery and so shimmery, and it is basically gorgeous. Oh, this is so pretty. Just placing that all over my lid, as you can see, and I'm patting it down rather than swiping. And the same on the other side. So pat all over my lid. And what I'm going to do, I've got like a pointed bit here. I'm going to take this gold and I'm just going to add this to my inner corners a little bit. Inner corners, not right in the inner corners, but a bit of fallout and wipe away. I'm going to go back in with this pointy blending brush and just take this shade again and just go around the outer corners again. Just to define the outer corners, and then take the bigger blending brush, blend everything. For my inner corner, I'm going to take this shimmer rather than glitter into my inner corners. Yep, that's perfect. I'm going to take that rose gold, pat it onto the centre again, just because I love it. Basically the only reason. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow for the top done. I'm just going to add eyeliner and then we'll start doing the underneath. Nothing too fancy. And then I'm just going to add some eyeliner to my waterline. I'm just going to add a black. Normally I would wear brown for an everyday look, but I feel this is more like a going out look, so let's go back. And I am going to go along my lower lash line with this same shade that I used in the outer corners. So I'm using a pencil brush, but it's a slightly like fluffy pencil brush, so it kind of just smokes out and keeps everything quite soft. Okay, so now we're just going to take an angled brush, and I'm going to take the darkest brown shade here, and I'm just going to go from on top of my lashes but along my lower lash line. And then same shade, same brush, but under my lashes, in placing the product in the same place. But this just kind of helps to define your eyes, and because we've gone in with the smoky, with the fluffy pencil brush first and smoked it out, it doesn't look too harsh, but it just looks nice and soft but all defined. I'm just going to go in with some mascara. I'm going to go in with the Sky's the Limit highlight. You might have seen this on my stories and thought, oh my god. I'm going to go in with this highlight, which, oh my god, it just looks so good. So, here we go. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, now I can see. Oh my gosh, can you see the... is literally like the ultimate. What I'm going to do is just add I've already got enough on my inner corners, but I'm just going to add a bit of this to my inner corners as well. Finish the look, I am going to add this Plenty of Pout lip gloss. It's so nice. It's like, oh, it's like a minty flavour. I don't normally do lip gloss, but this is just nude, no colour. Then I'm going to finish the look with my MAC Fix Plus in Gold Light. Okay, so we're going to do something crazy. You've seen this look, losing the MAC Hocus Pocus palette. So you've seen the normal kind of like nude lip, which is something I always do. Obviously I went completely like crazy and wore a lip gloss rather than a matte lip. But what we're going to do is we're going to add this matte lip mousse. I've got this vintage MAC lip liner called Cranapple. and it's like a really nice like pinky, bright pink. So I'm going to line my lips first. I always feel like when you're wearing a brighter or a darker lip, you need to like really get your lip liner perfect. Right, let's go in with this matte mousse. I feel like this is more of a topper rather than like a solid lip colour. So if I was wearing like a brighter lipstick underneath, I think this would sit better. But like, for it to look this colour, you need like a lot of product. So that's why I feel like, because it's matte but it's quite sheer, but the texture of it on your lips feels really nice. Basically, the whole point is that this shade still looks, so this eye look can still be worn with like brighter, darker lipsticks. Like that's the whole point here. So it's not just like a nude lip thing. So I think if I was going out, I'd probably wear maybe like Girl About Town or something underneath, and then wear this as like a lip topper. The texture of it is like a matte mousse. It's really, really nice, but just a bit complicated to apply. I just thought I'd change it up a bit and not just always wear like the standard pinky nude lip that I always do. Hope you like this video, hope you like this tutorial, and I hope that you are excited to try this palette and the rest of the range, because so I will see you soon. Take care, guys.